I am so fly like Aladdin. I start the ship, I'm the captain. Them niggas, they're talking, they're chatting, but they cannot play with their captain, no. I am so fly like Aladdin. I start the ship, I'm the captain. Them niggas, they're talking, they're chatting, but they cannot play with their captain.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look, and today I have done this kind of like date night sultry gold smoky eye super sexy look for Valentine's Day. Obviously you guys know it's almost February, so Valentine's Day is fast approaching, so we gotta be ready. So I achieved this look using all drugstore / affordable makeup, so it's easy for everyone to get the product and you're not going to be breaking the bank by doing so. I hope you guys like this look and enjoy this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Please do not forget to subscribe before you get into the tutorial, and follow me on all of my socials that's down here, and thumbs up this video as well. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye! Hi everyone, so you just want to start off with a setting spray from Pixi. So this is just going to refresh the skin, and then I'm going to be applying the NYX Shine Killer Primer to just absorb any oil on my skin, because of course you guys know I have oily skin, so we have to just set and prime. Now I'm going to be going in with the NYX Total Control foundation, and I'm just going to be doing a few drops because this stuff is really full coverage. I'm just going to be applying that on my skin, and then I'm going to blend it out using a Luxie Beauty brush. Now I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I believe this is in the shade 30 Cafe, and I'm just going to be applying this underneath my eyes. It's super hydrating, so I really like it. And then over that, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Total Cover Concealer. This one is really full coverage and thick. It's a lighter shade than the Maybelline concealer, so it's just going to add that brightness underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to be going in with another NYX concealer. This is, I think this is also called the Total Cover. I'm not too sure, but I'm just using a darker shade basically to just contour my face, and this is just going to add some definition and just some warmth as well back into my skin. Then I'm going to blend everything with my foundation brush. I'm going to respray the Pixi setting spray, just to make sure everything blends and melts in together. Now I'm setting all of the highlighted areas using my Sacha Buttercup Light Powder, and I prefer this one to the original Sacha Buttercup just because it's not as yellow. And then I'm just going to move on to my eyebrows. I'm filling in my eyebrows using a NYX brow pencil, and yeah, I'm going to just clean everything up using the same NYX Total Cover Concealer, the one I use underneath my eyes. So now I actually accidentally used the powder that was in drugstore or so affordable, so I'm going to show you an alternative in 1 second. And this one is from Pixi. It's their mini contouring kit. So I'm just going in with the powder that I'm pointing at, and then I'm just going to be using that to warm up my skin just directly over the one I just applied. And then I'm using the same powder, and I'm just putting it down the sides of my nose to contour my nose. And if you'd like to see a more detailed tutorial on how to contour your nose, be sure to check out my previous video. I'm just going to be highlighting using the highlighter from the same palette, placing it on the tip of my nose as well as on the high points of my cheekbones, just to basically add a nice glow to my skin. So now I'm just using another Pixi product. This one is pretty cool because it looks like a blush in the pan because it's pink, but it's actually like gold. So it has this pretty gold undertone to it, and it just adds the most beautiful glow to the skin. Now I'm going to be going in with the City Colors blush. I'm using the pink one. That's like one of my favorite colors right now. And I'm just going to be applying that to my cheeks just to add a nice flush of color. Then I'm going to be dusting off some of the powder underneath my eyes. I am going to reapply it again while when I start my eyeshadow right here. And yeah, I didn't just want too much powder underneath my eyes. Anyways, I'm just going to be applying the Sacha Buttercup Light once again, and I'm going to just use the same powder to just clean up my jawline area. So now for eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Essence Cosmetics eyeshadow primer. It's called I Love Color, and this just makes your eyeshadow look super vibrant, and it stops creasing as well. And I'm just blending everything out, and then I'm going to be going in with another Pixie palette. This is the, I believe this is the one with It's Judy's Time, like the collaboration. And I'm just going in with the neutral pinky nudie shade, and I'm placing this on the crease of my eye. I'm using a fluffy a fluffy brush to blend this out, and yeah, I'm just placing this on the crease like I said. Now I'm going in with this warm brown caramel looking color, and I'm using a Sigma E25 brush to just apply this to the outer corners of my eyes. So just like usual, I'm just trying to build on that intensity. I'm starting from lighter colors to darker colors, and then yeah, basically just have a nice gradient from there. And then I'm going to be going in with this darker shade, and I'm just packing that on the outer V of my eyes. And I find that doing my eyeshadow this way really complements my eye shape, just because it helps to just hide that little puffy area on the top of my eyes. Now I'm going to just be cutting my crease just to clean up the eyeshadow, make it look a lot neater. And yeah, I'm going back in with that darker brown again. Then I'm going to be packing on this loose pigment from JCat Beauty. I'm not sure what the name is, but it's so beautiful, you guys. And JCat Beauty products are so affordable. I'll link their website in the description box for you guys so you can grab those products. And I'm sure they also sell them at Ulta as well. Anyways, I'm just using another shade of that pigment, and I'm placing that into the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm using this NYX Cosmetics I Love Contour eyeshadow palette. I'm just going in with the white shade, and I'm packing that on my brow bone, and I'm just going to be using this to highlight my brow bone. Then I'm going in with the purple and the black just to basically intensify the outer corners and just make it a bit more smoky and just more dramatic. And yeah, I feel like this look is very similar to the one I just did with the Patrick Sir collection. Sorry guys, I'm very drawn to doing gold smoky eyes, I find. I'll definitely do something different, like maybe like a smoky eye, like a brown smoky eye, a black smoky eye next for Valentine's Day. So you guys should let me know if you actually want that, and I'll get it done for you. Anyways, I'm just going back in with my fluffy blush again, my fluffy brush just to blend everything out, and then I'm just going to be applying some liner to just add definition to my eyes. And this liner is the NYC liquid liner, by the way. Okay, so now I'm just going to be applying some liner to my bottom lash line. Unfortunately, I forgot to use a drugstore eyeliner. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, you can obviously use any drugstore eyeliner that you own. And I just applied a little bit of a dark brown color just to basically smoke out the lash line. So now I'm just going to be dusting off the powder I applied, and yeah, just kicking off any fallout that may be underneath my eyes. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to be using the Roasted Coffee Lip Pencil by Kiss New York, I believe. And yeah, I'm just going to be using this to line my lips. Then I'm using the Essence Cosmetics Lip Gloss. I absolutely love this gloss, you guys. It tastes amazing. But yeah, it's just spray some finishing spray, and this is the finished look, you guys. It's super duper easy. Oh yeah, by the way, for lashes I used the Adele lashes. I'll put the name in the description box for you guys. But this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you all enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.
They cannot play with a captain, no. I am so fly like Aladdin. I start the ship, I'm the captain. Them niggas, they're talking, they're chatting. But they cannot play with a captain, no. So we roll in